Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube video 5 times speed. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is jump into one of my videos. Okay, so I'm inside of my video. Now, in order to make it 5 times speed, we want to go ahead and click on the gear icon. Now, from here, we want to click onto playback speed. Now, time recording, we can only do 3 times speed, so you're not going to get 5. So if I move this slider all the way across, we got 2. Now, premium users of YouTube is going to have access to make it 3 times speed. Now, we do have keyboard shortcuts with video speed controller, so if you're using that extension, we can click on D to increase speed or S to decrease speed. Now, what I mean by this is downloading an extension here called Video Speed Controller. For over 3 million people use it. So go ahead and click on Add to Chrome, add that extension. Okay, so now this has been added. So I'm going to come back here, refresh the page. Now, I've got this video open. Then we want to click onto that extension, click on Video Speed Controller. Now we can go on the left-hand side, we can see the current speed. Now to increase this, I'm going to go ahead and click on 2.5 times twice. And then if I press play, it's going to be super fast. But it looks like we're not going to be able to hit that 5 times speed. If I click in the settings, let's see if we can increase it. We might be able to use some custom CSS to inject alongside the built-in defaults. So yeah, this is the best way and only way to increase the speed, and you might get up to 5 times speed.